All right, back here on Gary's 64. It is Sunday. Doing a little Sunday at the shop. I'll do a Sunday in the shop video in a little bit. Trying to get... It won't crank now. After we've done everything, it does not crank. I'm curious as if maybe there's a loose wire on the neutral safety switch or somewhere in the column, something. I'm starting to chase that. But first order of business, I have our S wire off. I was gonna jumper it. Let me see here. Set the phone down. Craptastic video, I'm sorry. Oh, that actually might be cool. A little jumper wire. So, I'll jump the S. Alright, she cranks. So, I'm going to turn the key on now and try to start her like that. And then I know it's in our start circuit. So let's make sure she's in park. Turn our ignition on. Give her some gassy gas. And we'll do this again. If I get her up and lit, then we know I gotta start checking wiring underneath. I'm trying to, this is where I need like 6 hands. Fired right up. Starts, runs just fine. So I'm gonna go start casing wiring. All right, gang. So you saw me jumper the starter relay, get the car fired up with the key on. First thing I did was go underneath the dash. I wanted to check neutral safety switch. Because if you guys remember, our backup lights were sometimes sticking on. And I know it's hard to see. I know this is really crappy, but that, I think I'm shooting the neutral safety switch, which is also brake light switch. It's there. There it is. Right there. So, we've been having reverse lights come on and stay on intermittently when you're in drive or whatnot. Well, the neutral safety switch, I went under there and I had our shifter in park, everything in park, and I noticed that it was not in the park position. So I shoved it over to park and hit the key, and it works now. A little fuel. It's cold, but now it works. So Gary, let me know if you want me to get a neutral safety switch for this. That way we will no longer have a intermittent no start issue, and it'll get rid of our brake light issue as well. Alright, so got her running. Cleaned and adjusted our neutral safety switch. So there was some contact cleaner. Took care of business. It's working perfect now, smooth. Everything's nice. Fluids are all topped off. Just getting ready now to test drive it. Gary can come and get it. Alright, now that we're up and running, got topping off the fuel system, letting it get the temperature. I have the heater on, all that. Letting everything get up to operating temp. See, our valve covers are nice and dry now. There's smoke pouring off of everything now. So we're looking good, looking nice. That's handled. Drive a little bit, and we'll come back and check our trans fluid. Make sure all the brakes are good, everything's nice. Cap on now. Let it build up pressure. Alright. just going out for a quick little test drive here around the block. I'll probably give it a thorough test drive tomorrow. This is Sunday. It's also going to get a nice bath tomorrow and get detailed up because I want Gary to come Tuesday and pick her up. Just want to get enough miles on her just to make sure everything got up to temp a few times. Check for leaks, all that. Because we did do valve covers and transpan, and we had axle seals out and all that. So I just want to drive, make sure we don't have any leaks, make sure everything works good. That way when she goes home, Gary can enjoy her. Be happy. She drives so nice. Stops nice. Slows down well. New tires, it feels amazing. Very happy. I'm happy with her. Have Scotty and Nick, or Nick, that is, somebody. We'll give her a bath tomorrow before the end of the day. That way she gets to sit a little, make sure we don't have any leaks like I stated, and then Gary can come and get her. This thing drives so well. So incredibly well. Runs cool, has great oil pressure. I can't say anything bad about this car. It's probably one of the best T-Birds that I've driven of this era of bird. I really like it.